So guys, there is a helicopter that's about to fly over. He's coming from this direction. And this is to prove you guys that Flight Radar 24 is one of the most accurate radars there is. The sun is in my eyes. I'm gonna have to go behind a tree though. But anyways, just wait for it. He's coming from this direction. I saw him descending. He's like less than 1,000 feet up. There was another helicopter. Flew right over my school. Turned around, like waved his prop and left. I hear him. He's gonna go like almost south of me. I definitely hear him now. Oh, there's a big old rabbit. That's a big rabbit. There he is. There he is. Oh, here he comes. Sorry about the unstable camera. Oh, wow. This is a university helicopter. Would you look at him? Woo! That's south of me. Wow. He's so low. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. That's the lowest thing I've seen. Wow. Bro, that thing is crazy. I cannot believe I just saw it. The rabbit still. See behind the wheel? I'm making guinea pig noises hoping that the rabbit would recognize it, but I guess he didn't. Whatever.